Hi, I'm Shubham, founder of Greta. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate the feedback workflow component into your WordPress website using PLG OS. Let's get started. First, log into PLG OS and go to Templates. From here, select Feedback Workflow and create a new campaign. Next, choose the no-code format. Go to the Code tab and simply copy the snippet provided. Now, open your WordPress site and paste this code into the header or footer script section. This will ensure that the feedback component is loaded on your site. Next, decide where you want the feedback to appear. On the button, you want to trigger the feedback form, add the function window.changeStatus. Once that's done, preview your site. You'll now see the feedback component in action. Go ahead and submit a response through the component. This will allow you to track analytics and submissions directly in PLG OS. If you want to customize the look and feel, go back to your campaign in PLG OS. Here, you can edit the content, apply a theme, and then click Publish. Now, refresh your WordPress site, and you'll see the updated feedback component live. Finally, don't forget to add your WordPress site URL under Allowed Origins in PLG OS settings. This ensures that your feedback workflow works seamlessly on your site. And that's it. You've successfully integrated the feedback workflow in WordPress using PLG OS. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us anytime. See you in the next one.